Hey, this is Group 29. This is how our Rube Goldberg machine works. So first of all, we're going to start by lighting our Olympic flame, which in this case is a Zippo lighter. You'll set it underneath and burn through this twine. That will release this pulley side here, which is under 2 pulleys, which will release these hockey puck weights, knocking the left side of this toy, which will tip it sideways like this, launching our spring-loaded or elastic-loaded car. Whoa. Which will then fly off the ramp, fly under our biathlon, over our curling, and it will fly down and run into this Connect sensor. This will then knock the ball down the tube, which is our bobsled, sorry. Fly all the way around and into our Olympic torch funnel where it'll spin around. And then once it's slow enough, it'll fall through the center of the toilet paper roll tube and fall out of our popsicle stick tube, which will then knock down these dominoes, which will knock down the last domino, which is attached to a string. This domino with the string will then fall off the table, falling towards the ground, which will pick up velocity, and it will hit this mousetrap sensor right here. This mousetrap sensor will have the metal bracket of the mousetrap snap down, cutting the cord, which is tensioned by a brick, and cutting it on the razor blade that's inlaid in the table here. This will release the curling rock. It'll shoot all the way down, hitting that roll of tape right there. Okay, so this curling rock, as it flies forward, will hit this roll of tape, at which time it will release this string, which will release this large steel marble. This steel marble will then go back and forth, hitting 1, 2, 3, 4 biathlon targets. It will then roll all the way down this baseboard until it gets to our suspension bridge here, falling down again. It will roll all the way back down this way, hitting this yellow popsicle stick as it falls into the hole. Hitting that yellow popsicle stick will release this marble go on this side right here, and this will pull the nail out, letting the metal slide down onto Steve Yzerman's head. After the ball falls through here, it'll go back down this next track until it gets enough speed that it hits this piece of doweling right here. This piece of doweling will then flick the power bar switch on, turning on our ghetto blaster, which will play our favorite O Canada. This will slide all the way down this shoehorn. Hitting this roll of tape being stopped by the screw will hit the loonie onto the 2 pieces of tin foil, completing the circuit and raising the Olympic or the Canadian flag. And that's our Rube Goldberg project.